Well, we had a couple nice days across the region with temperatures close to 60 degrees both Friday and Saturday. But behind me, yeah, we got some rain moving on in, and that's out ahead of our next cold front that will be pushing on through here for the daytime on Sunday, and kind of a return to reality for Sunday afternoon. Let's look at WNWO Doppler radar here, and we can see the first batch of rain is getting ready to move into our western counties, Williams and Defiance counties, but there is more where that came from. As we look on off towards the west, yeah, we can see a whole ton of water coming at us from the west through Wisconsin and Illinois, and that is lifting from the southwest back on off towards the north and towards the east. So I think we're going to have periodic showers as we head from now through about 10, 11 o'clock, and then after midnight, I think we're headed for a widespread rain. Here's the cold front dividing the mild air that we're seeing. We got 60 degrees right now around the Toledo area, 59 currently out at Toledo Express, 60 degrees at Indianapolis, but cross over that cold front, those winds turn from the south back to the west, and temperatures are falling back into the 30s and 40s. Now, as we look at our weather here, here's the clouds, here's the cold front, and this is coming our way, and we're expecting a cloudy and rainy night across our area, but temperatures with that southerly wind flow out ahead of it, I'm expecting temperatures to remain mild. Look at these temperatures when you wake up tomorrow morning. Through the clouds, yeah, it's going to be a cloudy, gray, rainy day for your daytime on Sunday, but still 52 Napoleon, 730. We're looking at about 51 Toledo, 730, and 53 degrees for Findlay. Temperatures are going to be kind of a little bit on the odd side tomorrow. I'm going to stop it here at 1 o'clock because I think this is when our high temperatures are going to be. But as you can see, it's going to be a cloudy, gray, and rainy day. But still about 1 o'clock, 54 Napoleon. I'm going to call it about 55 here in Toledo, 54 Defiance, and 55 degrees for Findlay. This little blue marker here, it's extending from about Toledo back down towards Van Wert. This is the cold front coming on through, and it's knocking on the door at about 1 o'clock. This will move on through between 1 and 2 o'clock. Now, with the cloudy skies, it's going to get cooler, and it's going to be kind of that gray, dingy day for late Saturday, Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. And temperatures, you can see 45 there out towards Defiance, 40s for the rest of the area. Temperatures are going to be steady to slowly falling throughout the day. And notice the gray clouds behind me in the rain. That's Monday's forecast as well, and here's the reason why. We kind of got two systems coming in. System number one will be moving on out of here through Sunday and then out of here for the daytime on Monday, but Monday, we're getting affected by our next storm system, believe it or not. You can see light rain across northern Ohio, and this is all associated with this next storm system. If you joined me yesterday, I told you we could have a cutoff low that could potentially bring us rain or snow. Well, I'm leaning now towards the rain side of things for the daytime on Tuesday. But there's still some things that have to be ironed out. If this system drifts over maybe to the I-75 corridor and goes from about Cincinnati up towards Port Clinton, we could be impacted by a dry slot, and that might move the heaviest part of the rain off towards the west of us. So it's still some things to be ironed out, but I'll tell you what, though, with this low originating down towards the Gulf Coast, it's going to be bringing in some mild air. So I think by Tuesday, it's going to be in the 40s. Yeah, it's going to be damp and cool, but at least it's not going to be cold enough for snow. I think this is going to be an all-liquid event. As this low-pressure system lifts on off towards the north and east, on Wednesday, we could see some wraparound moisture that could produce a few snow flurries. But as of right now, things, yes, could still change, but I think we're going to give the snow shovels a little bit of a break for the time being, and we're going to hold them off till the next storm system. Hubert's hoping never at all. All right, let's look at your forecast for tonight. We're looking at a low temperature around 52 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. We'll see that rain becoming more widespread after about 10 o'clock. And then for tomorrow, like I showed you on that gray map that wasn't so pretty, 55 about 1 o'clock, and then temperatures steady to slowly falling after. We'll see those south winds 15 to 20 tonight, about 15 miles per hour tomorrow, turning to the west. Now, as we look at your 10-day trend, we got more rain on the way, and rain could be heavy at times late Monday on into Tuesday. Temperatures in the 40s both Monday and Tuesday, and then we're in the 30s and 40s for the remaining of the 10-day trend.
All right, very good, Tom.